Welcome friends, I'm Dr. Sarita. As you know, I'm a homeopathic physician. Today I just wanted to discuss few things about mental health. That is nothing but a very crucial part which we generally miss out when we are treating a patient, when a person who is in illness or when he is sick. Now, whenever we are talking about health, there are two components majorly, that is physical well-being and mental well-being. Now, whenever you are suffering with any kind of disorder or a disease, now you have various parameters, treatment patterns, how to assess and what is to diagnose and all. But in case of mental illnesses, because if at all you are seeing in this ongoing pandemic, now there are people who are suffering with this COVID-19 affection or symptoms or disease, but at the same time we are seeing so many other normal population who has been suffering with various kinds of anxieties, psychological disturbances because of this dreadful pandemic which is happening nowadays. So as a doctor, what I would suggest you is, as a homeopath, now being healthy is something which is very important both mentally and physically. Though we are not suffering with this kind of infections or symptoms which are there seen that everybody knows, but there are so many other symptoms like restlessness, anxiety, phobia, fear, because people are afraid to talk to someone who is there, who is much near and dear, whether it is their relatives, neighbors, going out, eating out or mingling with people. Though they are maintaining their social distancing, masks and sanitizing and everything, but still there is a kind of phobia which is making them restless and anxious. So how to deal with this kind of problems which are tackled nowadays? Now basically these problems are there for anyone because the situation demands such kind of expressions of the mental body built. But once you are into a condition where you know what is happening and how it is happening and how you can take care of those things, maybe you can deal with the situations in a much better way. Now, as you know that the pandemic is not going to affect everyone. Even if it is affecting everyone, there are people who are able to cope up very successfully, and there are people who are getting deteriorated because basically there is a kind of fear or phobia which will actually making us vulnerable to get this virus infection. So let us be very clear about what is happening and how you can tackle these kind of programs. So we have so many counseling sessions. People can come out and talk, whether it is online consultation or a video consultation, like how you can cope up with the situations. Okay. If you need any kind of assistance, there are so many channels where there are doctors, counselors, psychologists who are helping you about these kind of awareness things, how to make yourself free, whether you are getting infection or whether you are post-infected, whatever is the thing, because what happens is this kind of home quarantine procedures and all are making people more anxious and more vulnerable to certain kinds of phobias. There is something known as post-traumatic disorder syndrome, which is again a kind of panic attacks which is making them lose their sleep, making them lose their performance capabilities, etc. So in order to overcome all these things, we want you to approach a proper channel who can help you about how you can maintain all these kinds of anxieties or fears and phobias which you are facing in your day-to-day life. So in case of any assistance, we are here to help you out. So please feel free to call in and take proper advice so that we can help you out further in a proper and a systematic way, so that you will not end up getting into any kind of mental health issues. Thank you.
ఆరోగ్యవంతమైన జీవితం కోసం మనం పాటించాలి కొన్ని నియమాలని. చిన్ని చిట్కాలతో చింతలేని జీవితాన్ని ఎలా గడపాలి అనే దానికి వీక్షిస్తూనే ఉండండి మన ఆరోగ్యం యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. మరిన్ని ఆరోగ్య సూత్రాలకు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.